What's up guys, it's Dave Marshall with the RC Air Marshall YouTube channel, and in this video series we're going to help change your RC life by going over all of the different features and functions of the all-new Spektrum NX Series Transmitters. As with all of our videos, everything that you see in the video is available in the links in the description. Those are affiliate links, and when you use those, it pays a small commission back to the channel, and we really appreciate your support. If you like the videos that we're putting out here on the RC Air Marshall YouTube channel, be sure to hit that subscribe button and turn your notifications on so you never miss another video. Now let's get to today's tutorial. What's up guys, in this video we're going to be going over the digital switch setup. Now to get into the digital switch setup menu, we're going to click that scroll wheel, which will take us to our function list, and we're going to scroll down to digital switch setup. When we go into digital switch setup, basically what we're doing with the digital switch setup is we're changing or giving us the ability to change the output of our digital switches. Now our digital switches are going to include all of our toggle switches as well as the I button and your trimmers if you have the trimmers on the top of the transmitter, and you'll find those on the NX8 and the NX10. You won't have those on the NX6. So what we'll do is we'll just scroll down here to our switch select, and we'll just click on our scroll wheel. Now we can either use the scroll wheel, or as with any of the other functions where you're selecting a switch, you can simply exercise the switch that you want to adjust. And in this case, we're going to go ahead and make some adjustments to the outputs for switch B. So now that we've got that selected, we'll go ahead and click the scroll wheel again to lock that in, and then we can adjust the output of that switch for each one of the different positions. Now you'll have a little box that circles the position that you're currently in. So as we move it from position 0, position 1, and position 2, you'll see that box change. And then down at the bottom, you'll also see that you have the channel that this particular switch is assigned in. And we can't change the channel assignment, that's in a different menu, but you can see what channel this switch is assigned to. Now, say for example, rather than having 100%, we only want position 0, we actually want that to be, say, 0%. And then we want position 1 to be -50, and we'll leave position 2 at 100, right? So what we're doing is we're changing the value that that position is going to represent. And what you'll notice is here for the aux2 channel on the channel monitor down here at the bottom, I really love that, by the way, where they've included the little channel monitor at the bottom of these screens. Anytime you're adjusting switches or something, you can actually see in real time how that's being adjusted. All right, so we're going to lock that value in at 0%. We're going to go to position 1, and we're going to change that to -50. Now you're not seeing a change in the channel monitor right now because the switch is in position 0. But if we were to change that to position 1, you'll see that change in the channel monitor as well, where right now it's a value and it follows along as you're adjusting it. All right, so now switch B goes from 0 to -50 to -100. And that's nice if you have, say, a servo controlled function or something like that, or say you're setting up a mix for a switch that's not assigned. You know, there is some value to being able to adjust these, and just depending on how you want that switch to function. By default, it's set to 100 at position 0, 0 at position 1, and -100 at position 2. And you can easily go in here and swap those, where position 0 is -100, position 2 is +100. So it really gives you some flexibility on the values that are going to be sent by each of those positions, and lets you modify what the output of those are going to be and get sent out to your receiver, or manipulate specific settings in the radio based on, say, flight modes or mixing or something like that. All right, guys, that's it for today's tutorial on the NX Series Transmitters. Again, if you're looking to buy an NX Series transmitter, please check our links in the description. Those are affiliate links that pay a small commission back to the channel, and we absolutely appreciate your support. And as always, for all the other things that you need to change your RC life, you can always go to rcairmarshal.com, where you'll find affiliate links to all of our affiliate partners. If you have any questions on today's video, be sure to leave those down in the comments below, and I'll be sure to answer those as soon as I get a chance. If you enjoyed today's video, be sure to like, share, subscribe, turn on those notifications. Thank you guys so much for watching, and we will see you in the next one.